Hello students, this is the chapter number 41, Legal Phrases. Phraseography in legal work. The law has to a large extent a vocabulary and terminology of its own, and the shorthand writer engaged upon legal work, whether in taking notes of correspondence and of documents, or as note taker in courts, must have a fairly wide acquaintance with the peculiar style of language employed. The court reporter must also be familiar with quite a number of leading cases because reference to these is of everyday occurrence and ignorance of them would make his work difficult, if not indeed impossible. Neatness of outline formation in legal note taking of any description is of the utmost importance, and absolute accuracy of transcription is essential. No pains, therefore, should be spared by the writer to make himself thoroughly efficient, both in general knowledge of the matter he will be sure to meet within the course of his work and in regard to the actual writing of his shorthand notes. So, these are the legal phrases of this chapter. Affidavit. F above the line, D halved with V hook for affidavit. Articles of association. Upward R above the line halved with cull is used here for articles with a circle of is omitted here, and association के लिए S circle with shan hook is used here. Bankrupt. B above the line, NG with R hook. P halved on the line for bankrupt. Bankruptcy. B on the line, NG with R hook with S stroke. Next, breach of promise of marriage. Birth through the line for breach of is omitted here. Per for promise and of is omitted here, and marriage M R upward and J. Central Criminal Court. S circle N doubled for central. Cur is used here for criminal, and cur halved is used here for court. Chancery division. J above the line, N stroke S circle upward R is used here for chancery, intersecting it with the end by D for division. Circumstantial evidence. S circle upward R is used here for circumstantial. V halved N with S circle is used here for evidence. Counsel for the defense. K is used here for counsel for the omitted here. D with F hook with N stroke with S circle is used here for defense on the line. Counsel for the defendant. K is used here for counsel for the omitted here. D halved with F hook is used here for defendant on the line. Counsel for the plaintiff. K stroke is used here for counsel for the omitted here. Pull halved with N hook on the line for plaintiff. Counsel for the prisoner. K is used here for counsel for the omitted here. Per S circle N with R hook is used here through the line for prisoner. K counsel for the prosecution. K above the line for counsel for the omitted here prosecution. Per S circle K with shan hook is used here for prosecution. Court of criminal appeal. Cur halved on the line for court. Of is omitted here. Cur for criminal, and P with upward L is used here for appeal. Court of appeal. Cur halved on the line. Of is omitted here. P upward L is used here for appeal. Deed of settlement. D is halved for another D. Of is omitted here. S circle tull with M halved with N hook is used here for settlement. Deed of trust. Same outline for deed. And ter with ST loop is used here for trust. Of is omitted here. Deed of assignment. Same outline for deed. D is halved for another D. Of is omitted here. S stroke M halved with N hook. Assignment. Divisional court. D intersecting here with upward L on the line for divisional, and cur halved for court. Documentary evidence. Above the line, DK is used here for documentary. For evidence, half half V and stroke S circle is used here for evidence. Ecclesiastical. Cull S stroke S circle is used here for ecclesiastical court. Cur half is used here for court. Employer's liability. M with pull with S circle is used here for employers on the line. Upward L disjoint B is used here for liability. Equity of redemption. Qua with the T is used here for equity. Of is omitted here. Upward R D. M with shan hook is used here for redemption. Examination in chief. G, G, examination, S circle M, N stroke for examination. N is omitted here. Che with F hook is used here for chief. Executor, K, S circle for R is used here on the line for executor. Executrix, K with S circle, another K with S circle is used here on the line for executrix. False pretenses. F above the line, intersecting it with the T with N double S circle for pretenses. Habeas corpus. Upward H on the line with B S circle is used here for habeas, and K P S circle is used here for corpus. Heirs, executors, administrators, and assigns. Downward R with S circle is used here. Heirs, executors. K with S circle is used here for executors. Administrators. D with S circle is used here for administrators. N with S circle is used here for assigns. Next is heirs, executors, administrators और assigns. ऊपर वाले में था and और इसमें है और. सेम आउटलाइन है. heirs, a downward R on the line, S circle for heirs. K with S circle for executors. Administrators के लिए वही D with S circle for administrators और के लिए क्या ऐड कर देंगे upward R and S circle N stroke with S circle for assigns. Next is High Court of Justice. Downward H above the line is used here for high. Cur halved is used here for court. Of is omitted here. J is used here for justice. Judgment summons. Double J is used here for judgment. S circle M with NS circle is used here for summons. Jurisprudence. Jur on through the line with a circle with P. Clear? Next is justice of the peace. JS circle is on the line is used here for justice of the omitted here, and P is used here for peace. Learned counsel. Upward L on the line, upward R is used here for learned. K joined here for counsel. Learned counsel for the defense. Same outline for learned counsel. Add it with D with F hook with N stroke with S circle for defense for the omitted here. Learned judge. Upward L, upward R on the line is used here for learned. Double J is used here for judge. Legal estate. Downward, upward L through the line with gull is used here for legal. S circle T half for another T is used here for estate. Legal personal representative. Through the line, upward L is used here for legal. Personal, per with S circle is used here for personal. Upward R is used here for representative. Lord Chancellor, upward L on the line is used here for Lord. J is used here for Chancellor. Lord Chief Justice, upward L on the line is used here for Lord. J with F hook is used here for chief. J is used here for justice. Marriage settlement. Above the line M, upward R, J is used here for marriage. S circle M halved with N hook for settlement. May it please your honor. M halved on the line for it, and pull, please. Pull with S circle is used here for please. Your omitted here, and N with R hook is used here for honor. Memorandum of association, double M is used here for memorandum. S circle with chan hook is used here for association. Of is omitted here. My learned friend, M above the line for my. Upward L is used here for learned, and friend. Alternative form of fur with N hook halved is used here for friend. Official receiver. R upward on the line. A circle V with downward R is used here for receiver, intersecting at the beginning with F for official. Next, official writer. Double R, upward double R is used here on the line for writer, of intersecting it with F at the beginning for official. Originating summons. Above the line, upward R with J is used here for originating. S circle M with NS circle is used here for summons. Power of attorney. P through the line. Upward R is used here. Power of is omitted here. T with upward R with N stroke is used here. Attorney. Probate, divorce and admiralty division. Probate per on the line. Divorce के लिए D with V hook, and upward R is used for admiralty, intersecting it with the D at the end for division. Queen's bench. Qua on the line, a circle with B for bench. Queen's bench division. Same outline for Queen's bench and intersecting it with at the end with D for division. Queen's council. Qua with a circle for queens and K is used here for council. Real estate. Upward R through the line is used with downward L is used here for real. A circle T half for another T is used here for estate. Recognizance. Recognizance. Upward R K with N stroke. Next, reversionary bonus. Upward R is used here for reversionary and intersecting it with B with N stroke with a circle on the line for bonus. Trust funds. Ter with S circle on the line for trust. F halved with NS circle for funds. Verdict for the defendant. Alternative form of were is used here, halved is used here with K halved for verdict. Alternative form of were halved with K half is used here for verdict. For the omitted here, and D with F hook halved is used here for defendant. Verdict for the plaintiff. Same outline for verdict. Alternative form of were and K halved for verdict, and for the is omitted here. Pul with N hook halved is used here for plaintiff. Voluntary conveyance. V above the line. L halved with N hook with upward R with NS circle. Will and testament. Will through the line. Upward L with will through the line, and T a circle with M halved with N hook is used here for will and testament. Your worship. Downward R is used here for your, and upward R and ish is used here for worship. So these are the legal phrases of chapter number 41. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.